Hey gang, RVJ here. Boy, it's hard to see me in light, huh? Okay, this morning we're going to start on the engine replacement of the C-Class here. The little motorhome. Yep, it's got to have an engine. So we are going to do it. Okay, we're all set to go. This whole front has to come off. As I take all this stuff off, I pile it in its own little pile, and along with its nuts and bolts. Okay, got the time to take the bumper off. Sometimes it takes a little persuasion. All right. Got the radiator out. Okay, there you go. Nice little cubby hole that engine fits in. Once you get this all this stuff off of it, you have just the engine set there. Hey, look there, I've got a busted motor mount. All the things you see in, once you get all this stuff cleared off. See that busted motor mount right there? Okay, what I see is lots of money. All this stuff's gonna be new when it goes back in. Get a new one of these, a new clutch here, or a whole air conditioning piece there. Looks like somebody just replaced it. I'll see how it sounds when I get it off. Get all this stuff hidden in here. I don't know why they button it up so tight. It should be open. Okay, we're making headway here. We got the power steering side off. It is now noon, and I've got all the front off. Now I'm going to be running in and out. Getting the stuff off the top side. Woo! I'm inside now, and I'm going to start on the engine here. I got to pull all that exterior stuff off. No big deal. Took a picture of everything. I know what the firing order in the wiring diagram or these things. I know what these things are. Spark plug wires. So it's not bad. It's just noon right now. I have to stop. I'm all cleaned up. I got to go get a high schooler. Be back probably around 2 o'clock. Get started back on this. Okay, I am making, I'm back now, and I've got all the giblets off the top. I've got to build me a plate. In the shop we had a plate that went on here and the little hook so we could get the engine hoist in here. So now I'm gonna have to stop what I'm doing and build that plate. Okay, it's probably 6:30 now. I finally got this thing out of there. Boy, that was the tight tight fit. It's not going back in altogether. I hate to say that, but that's going to be a hard thing. It's out sitting here. I've got it supported here. I am going to do that link down test now, only I'm not going to use gauges and all that. Okay, now it's very late. That was full of fluids. Now you can see how low that one is. That one's completely empty. The next one's down quite a bit, and that one too. So they are leaking, and that one was leaking really bad. So I found my problem. Although the engine doesn't seem to have too much wear. Let me go back in the garage here. The engine does not seem to have too much wear here. On the cylinders, there is absolutely no ridge there to speak of. And extremely, you can still see the cross holes in there. So what do I do with this one? Probably do a valve job and put it back together, but do I really want to do that? Gotta get the timing cover off tomorrow, see what that looks like. Okay, that's all for tonight. Everybody's in, back from meeting. It's probably 8:30, 9 o'clock. Okay, this is RV Jerry. I am very dirty. I'm gonna close up shop. Call it quits for the day. Think about this tomorrow and get well, heal my body. Have to take on the van. Of all things, the van couldn't have just been a truck or a regular Chevy truck. Had to be a van. Okay, gang. Talk to you tomorrow. Hey, good morning. This is RV Jerry. This is the third day of this engine change. And I've got it really cleaned up in here. I got the all the dirt off. That's all nicely painted black. Got this engine compartment all cleaned up. I used the degreaser and my high pressure sprayer, so we're free of grease. And we're gonna take this thing and the heads and all the little giblets over to Doug's engine performance shop, and he's going to rebuild this thing for me. He will. He says he's taking it all apart, batting the block, and doing all the measurements, replacing all the giblets inside of it, and the heads. So that's what we're doing today. I'll turn the camera off for now and turn it back on when we get over there. Alright. Be back. Hey, RV Jerry here. All this stuff is going to go into Doug's performance shop. I'm a YouTuber. I like to do all my YouTube stuff. So.
Oh, awesome.
Doug's gonna do my engine here. Oh, did you want me to drive that over there or get closer?
Is there any oil in it?
No, I drained the oil.
Okay, good. No, I'm just gonna bring it out and put it on the table, then I'll stand it up on end.
Oh, that's too heavy. And Doug says no. Okay. Give you a close-up shot of the Doug's Performance Engines. Oh, I do have a special request.
What's that?
Do you paint them? Orange? Chevy red?
I can do Chevy orange. I can. Not very often, but I can.
That's back in my day.
You got it. Would you like me to caustic soap and clean the intake manifold for you?
Do what?
I can drop this in the caustic and clean the intake manifold for you.
Oh yes, please.
Alright.
You can leave those valve covers black. That's not a big deal.
Alright. Yeah, you don't want to do anything with those. Just a light wash on them, because you don't want that powder coating to peel off there. Once it starts to peel, then they get really ugly.
Okay, you do it. Close it all up.
Okay.
I want to put the vibration damper on it.
Okay, you want
drop the distributor in
too, and valve covers and everything. Okay, we can do that.
Okay. Gonna do it all. This will be the best little RV around. I don't want to have any trouble when I'm on vacation.
How big's your motorhome?
This is my little one. It's a 23-footer.
Oh, okay. Is it like a van chassis, or is it a
No, it's a It's a Jamboree, a C-Class. Going in the machine shop.